YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy Tonio in the Hemi, and as you guys can tell by the title, I'm here with 5 things I absolutely hate about my Dodge Challenger RT, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. We finna get right into it, man. First thing I absolutely hate about my Dodge Challenger RT, and I already have my door open, so you guys probably know, would definitely have to be the spacing, man. If you have a family, or if you plan on going on road trips in this car and you're in the market to buy this car, I would definitely not recommend this if you're planning on going on road trips, man. As you guys can tell, there's not very much spacing in this car. If you have someone sitting in the back seat, there's not really that much space for them to put their legs. Now, don't get me wrong, there is an option for you to scoot the seat up, and I'm gonna show you guys that right now. It's an option for you to scoot the seat up. As you guys can see, it'll slide up and back. My car ain't really too clean right now, so I'm not gonna really do too much, but that'd be the first thing I absolutely hate about my Dodge Challenger RT, man. It would definitely have to be the spacing. This is not a very good car to go on road trips on, man, sadly. I would love to take it on road trips, but it's not really a good car to go on road trips on, man. So let's get into the second thing I absolutely hate about my Dodge Challenger RT. Second thing I absolutely hate about my Dodge Challenger RT would definitely have to be the spacing of the tire and the car, man, or how high it sits. As you guys can see from this angle, it's a very wide gap in between the car and the tire. As you guys can see, I can put my whole fist in there completely. So that's another thing I absolutely hate about my Dodge Challenger RT. Let me know if I should get lowering springs down in the comment section. I seen Lord Schiff put lowering springs on his Dodge Charger RT, and I was thinking about it. I'm really inspired by Lord Schiff, I'm not gonna lie. I was watching this content about 3 years ago, and I had this car since I was 16, and I'm now 18, so I had this car for 2 years, and I was really indecisive about posting, not really confident, but I've had this car for 2 years. So man, this is 5 things that I think Dodge could improve on, man. 5 things Dodge could have gave us in these 2021 RTs, man. Third thing I'll probably say I absolutely hate about this car, man, would definitely have to be that there are no heated seats and there are no heated steering wheel in this car, man. I really think that is a big downfall of this car, only because during the wintertime it can get very cold outside. As you guys can see, it is 59 degrees outside. It's just now getting cold in my area. It's not really cold yet. Later on in the day it'll get hot, but when it is cold and it's about 30-40 degrees, when I get in the car, it's very hard for me to drive this car when I first started up, because there's no heated seats or no heated steering wheels. I have to get in the car and drive like this, or I have to get in the car and drive like this with my knee. So that is the third thing I absolutely hate about my Dodge Challenger RT, man. Let's get into the fourth thing. So for the fourth thing I absolutely hate about my Dodge Challenger RT would definitely have to be the gas mileage, man. I'm pretty sure you guys already knew it was coming. I'm gonna show you guys my miles per gallon right now and what I'm sitting at. I'm sorry about the cars in the background. I know they could be very loud. They out there acting up. But as of right now, I'm at 15.6 miles per gallon. If I was driving in the city more often, I drive on the interstate a lot. So I drive on the interstate to go back and forth, get my brother, things of that nature. So if I was driving only in the city, I'd probably be sitting at 12 miles per gallon. It was times I was at 12 miles per gallon. I'm gonna try to find a photo and put it in the video. So gas can be very bad in this car. I'll probably say I'm at the gas station 2 to 3 times a week filling this up. As you guys can see, I'm at a half a tank right now. I don't remember my last time filling this up. I think I filled it up on Sunday. Today is now Tuesday. Oh no, I filled it up on Saturday and today is Tuesday. So I'm at a half a tank. I haven't really been nowhere. I ain't go nowhere yesterday. I just did that one POV drive yesterday. So that's how gas works in this car. So let's get on to the fifth thing I absolutely hate about my Dodge Challenger RT. So for the fifth thing I absolutely hate about my Dodge Challenger RT, which is a very weird one, but the fifth thing I absolutely hate about my Dodge Challenger RT is that it does not come with a spare tire, man. As you guys can see right here, this is the rim from my recent accident. I had ran up on the curb and I bust my tire and I bust my rim, and I was not able to change my tire on the spot, and I had to call a tow truck and I had to get my car totaled and things of that nature, man. My car had to get totaled. I couldn't drive it, and I really think you guys should add a spare tire, man. As you guys can see, thought the spare tire was there, but it's not. So come on, dog. I really think that you guys should add a spare tire to these vehicles. The spare tire isn't under the vehicle. And I'm sorry about the noise. It's a lot of trucks passing by. Currently at a church. I was at a Lakeview, but Karens kept pulling up. They kept getting in my way, so I wasn't able to keep shooting videos in that spot, man. But let's get into the POV. I know y'all was waiting on the POV drive, man. I'm finna get some good pulls in for y'all boys, and we finna get active. Let's do it. All right, man. So here go the POV drive, man. Y'all guys can see there's the truck we just left behind us. I didn't make it too far to the parking lot, y'all boys, but here go the POV drive. I got a Canopy Road POV drive for y'all. And let me know how the car sounded, man. The road's still slippery. I'm not too good at using the paddle shifter, y'all boys, so don't really be coming for me in the comment section. I don't really know how to use the... Dang, my brakes squeaking. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. What the hell? What the hell is he doing? Bro, what is he doing, cuz? Love the sound of this car, man. If you guys don't know, this is a completely stock 2021 Dodge Challenger RT. Haven't did nothing to the exhaust, haven't did nothing. I haven't did nothing. Everything is stock, man. Woo-hoo. I really want them to move out the way, but it's all good. This is not in sport mode, by the way, y'all. Throw it in sport for y'all boys, for y'all that stayed for the end of the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. And let me know how y'all liking the POV drives. And comment below what y'all want to see out of this car. I want y'all to follow this journey of this car, man. I really want to put this journey of this car on YouTube. I've had it for 2 years, so I really should have been making modifications to it. But I really want to track my journey of this car on YouTube. I'm not at the age to where I'm able to afford the, you know, the cosmetic purchases. So let me know what y'all want to see from this car down below, man. let me know. I get from behind them. I'm going a different road. Oh my. Oh my. Roads are wet, man. I can't wait till the roads dry up. I'm gonna really act bad for y'all, man. I'm gonna act bad for y'all, boys. We gonna get in some good. Yeah. But let me know how y'all like the POV drive down below, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. We waiting on this light right now. Nighttime POVs coming. Nighttime POVs are definitely on the way. Nighttime POVs are definitely on the way. I'm turning on my blinker like I'm turning. What the? Bro, why do I keep turning on my blinker? Cause I'm on some retarded. Alright, man, so that's the end of this POV drive, man. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe as always, man. I'm gonna continue to bring you guys these banger videos, and your boy out, man.